Versatile 400. Start it up. That's friggin' healthy. Damn. Oh Christ, it's out of fuel. Oh man, now I gotta go back to the shop. Can't find no gas, so I'll just do a walk around for you. Fairly new muffler. There's a 206 Ford. Something hard on fuel. Go through a full tank in about 6 hours. Now it's gasoline, so that ain't cheap neither. If it ever goes out, it should be replaced with a Isuzu or John Deere diesel in here, a little 4-cylinder. 21 foot. Fix the seat. Wheels over pretty good. It's a good starter. Except for that. And that. Third time's the charm though. Yeah, that's it. Well, let's go see if we can start something else, since we're out of gas.